Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. Okay, kids, now we will get started. It's already 11:50 and we will get started. So to start with, I will do just a minute of Vaheguru Simran and you can join me. Take a deep breath. Vaheguru,
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 Vaheguru, Vaheguru,
Vaheguru,
Vaheguru,
Vaheguru,
Vaheguru, Vaheguru,
Vaheguru,
Vaheguru, Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. How is everyone doing? How are all of you? Doing good? Okay. Are you excited for the Sakhi time?
Yes.
So our topic for today is discrimination. So what is the meaning of discrimination? Can somebody try to explain a little bit? Yes, Yan.
Discrimination means that you judge people by the color of their skin or where they're from.
Very good. Good job, Sian. You know that. So, discrimination. Yes. So, let me explain it a bit. What discrimination means. Okay. So, we can distinguish as human beings. Like we have the power to distinguish between two things. Okay. Let's say I have got 10 apples and all of them are red, but only one of them is a green apple. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that I can discriminate that one is green and all the other are red apples. Okay, so I can distinguish. They distinguish in order to tell the difference, that I can tell the difference that something is different, and also the power to understand the difference. That is what is called discriminating power or discrimination. And it's the recognition and the understanding of the difference between one thing and the other. As humans, all of us have different color of our skin, right? If somebody are wheatish skin, somebody have dark, little bit of dark tone of the color of the skin color, then all of a sudden we can say that, oh, we can distinguish that, oh, this person looks little different, right? So Vaheguru, Babaji, and like the God, he has made each one of us a very unique person. Like nobody resembles any other person in the looks, in their behavior, right? Or even the way we talk and our voices, we all are very, very unique and different. This is called diversity and this is called uniqueness, and it is a unique gift from Vaheguruji. So when we understand this, that even though we are unique, but inside of us we are the same. Okay, so in the human body, like what we have this body, okay, and then we have the mind when we think and everything, and then the third thing is the soul. Soul is our innermost self. I understand that you're a little bit, younger maybe to understand this, but there is also a soul. Soul is your purest self, okay? Even though we are different in our looks and in our thinking, but our soul is the same. Okay, so that is what we say, that we are all one at the soul level. Ek onkar. In Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Baba Ji says, Ek Pita, Ekas ke hum barik. There is only one God, our one Father, and we are all the children of the God. So even though we look different, we think different, but still We are all brother and sisters, and it's all one God, and we are the children of one God. Okay? Ek pita, ekas ke hum barak. We can acknowledge, we can say that okay, the other person looks different, but it does not mean that we have to change our behavior to that person. Then the topic of compassion comes in. Let's say, like, I'll give you an example. I go outside by wearing my chunni on, right? And if somebody like is mean to me or is not talking to me just because of the fact that I'm wearing chunni in public and I'm looking different, then how will I feel?
Bad and
Bad.
sad.
Yeah, bad, and then I'll feel sad. Yeah, so I will say it's just the chunni, but still, like, they are behaving differently to me. They are not involving me in their activities. I will feel sad about it, and then I will try to talk to them. Okay, and I will try to explain that even though it's just the physical appearance, but I'm a good human being, and my qualities are same qualities, good qualities that you have. And what lesson I will learn? I learned the most important lesson of compassion. That is, I will be compassionate. I will say that I will treat everybody equal, even if they look different. I will behave, I will treat them in a very good way because I didn't feel how they treated me. So, the biggest lesson that we learn is we should never do things to others that we don't want them to do it to us. Okay? Okay? Did you get it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So, two things that we covered so far. First, even though we look different, but internally we are the same. We are the same internally at the soul level. One father, and we are all the children of one father. Ek pita, ekas ke hum barak. And the second lesson that we learned is we should never treat others the way that we don't want others to treat to us, right? So always behave and treat others the same way as you would want others to treat you, right? Okay, can anybody share with me something when they were really kind to other their friend or other person? Yes, Mehak.
One day, somebody fell down and was supposed to be I helped them up and brought them to the nurse.
Oh, that's very good, Mehak. That is a very, very kind act that you did. If they fell down and you were kind and you brought them to the nurse, it's very kind. Like that's what we should do. Yes, Sahiba.
And I asked them if
Oh,
they would
okay. So Sahiba is saying if somebody is sad, I go and play with them. That's awesome, good thing, Sahiba, that you do. Because if somebody is sad, then you should care for them and you should ask them, like, what happened? Why are you sad? Can I be your friends and can I play with you? And bring smiles to their faces, right? Yes, Anika, you wanted to say something?
So one time, so someone needed help. So
Yeah.
I helped them, and then yeah.
Good job, Anika. Yes, we should always help. So I will take one more question from Prabhansh. Yes, Prabhansh, what do you want to say?
I helped my friend that has autism in my class.
Really? That's very good job. You should always help. Look, looks little different, but we understand that he's also a human being and he's my friend and we should care for them, right? That's a very good job, Prabhansh, that you do. And instead of like, like laughing at them or making fun of them, you should always offer them help, considering that they are our brothers and sisters, and we should be always kind and we should always be compassionate to everybody, to humans, to our friends, and even to the animals, right?